In a world where speed meets soul, where innovation becomes legend, one name continues to strike fear into the heart of physics itself.
This is the KOENIGSEGG Sadair's spear, and today you're witnessing its global unveiling.
The future of performance, the spear that pierces the boundaries of possibility. Welcome to the world premiere. The legacy and name. KOENIGSEGG is not just a car brand, it's a movement, a relentless pursuit of perfection born in Sweden and feared around the world. From the jesko to the Regera, KOENIGSEGG has built a legacy of breaking records. And now the name Sadair's spear enters the history books. Sadair, rooted in Norse legend, meaning lightning rider. Spear, precision, impact, power. Together, this isn't a car, it's a weapon. Design, a spear in motion. Every KOENIGSEGG looks fast standing still, but the Sadair spear, it looks like it's already in flight. With a body sculpted by wind itself, the front nose slices the air like a blade. Air tunnels flow beneath the chassis. An adaptive rear wing flexes with feather-like precision. It's leaner, lower, sharper than any KOENIGSEGG before.
Not just form.
Function and ferocity, performance and power. Now let's talk what matters most, power. Under the carbon fiber skin lies a monster, a 6.1-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a lightweight hybrid boost system. Output, a mind-melting 1,728 horsepower. 0 to 60 in just 1.9 seconds. And the top speed, a theoretical 330 miles per hour. That's not fast, that's physics-defying. The transmission, KOENIGSEGG's 9-speed LST, shifting with lightning speed and no delay. This car doesn't accelerate, it erupts. Intelligent tech. But brute force is just part of the story. The Sadair's spear comes equipped with KOENIGSEGG's latest, the zero-overlap hybrid boost system. It doesn't just respond to you, it predicts you. Using advanced AI, the car reads your driving style and optimizes power delivery before you even press the pedal. GPS-linked suspension, augmented reality driving displays, torque vectoring so advanced it feels like the car reads your mind. Welcome to the next generation of driving. Interior, luxury command center. Step inside the cockpit and you'll see
This is no ordinary interior.
everything is driver-focused. Hand-stitched suede, glowing ambient fiber lighting, an interactive holographic console called Odin Eye, real-time G-force telemetry on the steering wheel.
This isn't just a driving experience.
It's a command center, green power. And now for the surprise. The Sadair's spear isn't just powerful,
It's environmentally aware.
running on biofuel-compatible hybrid tech, it can switch into zero-emission drive mode for cities and silent roads. It uses regenerative braking and intelligent power management to give you speed with responsibility. KOENIGSEGG proves once again, green doesn't mean slow. In fact, it just might mean smarter. World premiere highlights. At the world premiere event, the crowd fell silent. Then the lights hit the carbon shell, and the KOENIGSEGG Sadair spear made its first entrance. The automotive world hasn't been the same since. With every camera flashing, every fan gasping, this wasn't just another car debut, it was a coronation. This is the KOENIGSEGG Sadair's spear, a hypercar that redefines the genre. Raw power, precision engineering, tech from tomorrow, and a soul that can only be KOENIGSEGG. Would you dare drive it? Subscribe now for more insane car reveals, deep dives, and world premieres.
And this has been the birth of a legend.